sweet Maria, where are you now? Does your hair still fall down your pretty face? Had to leave, I just couldn't stay to see somebody else take my place. Love's been no better than you would to me. Love is a light that's still out of my reach. It's hard to let go. New Mexico, I'd love to go back to New Mexico to see the sunflowers bloom once again. Just you and I, beneath a sky that's as blue as your eyes in the rain. I long to come back, see you again, feel your beating heart next to mine, but I'll never go. New Mexico. I'd long to come back, see you again, feel your beating heart next to mine. I'll never go to New Mexico. I'll never go to New Mexico. New Mexico. Thank you very much.